Hello, my friends. I wanted to come on and do a rather quick how to kill a kit with style video. So all I know is that I want to use some of my new collections. So I have a few pieces and I've done a haul on everything. Like if you want to see like the bit by bit by bit. I only have a few pieces of the pattern papers by Amy Tan. And I actually chose them for the most part because, and yes, there's a bulldog snoring back there, because they have these great cut apart capabilities. So I'm not exactly sure how I want to deal with this. Like when I got this one, I ordered it for this, but I love this. So who knows? Don't know. This is definitely going to be a cut apart. And so these are all from the new Brave and Bold collection. I only have 4 sheets from them, right? Let's see. So I go like that. Lovely. I have this sticker sheet, which, I mean, you can go so far with these sticker sheets and has this really great holographic vibe. So I'll have to bring in an alpha, not a big deal. When I look at this, I already see that I'd want to use black, right? I have these puffies. And then I have, and they're already in a baggie because, you know, I'm so fancy. I already have the cut aparts in a baggie. I actually, hold on, because now that I'm going to use them for how to kill a kit with style, they get to be so fancy and upgraded, and they get to go into an iris container so I can really just rifle through them. So that's what I have so far from Amy Tan. So this is not a big deal, not a lot, but definitely something to get started with, right? And then same kind of deal from Paige Evans, the Wonders collection. Let me bring this out in the world's most used scrap bag. And I'm going to have to get 2 iris containers for these. How exciting. Now, once again, I was choosing things based on how cut apart that they would be, and they're all Wonders. I mean, love this. So absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. I did get this one for this side because it was just swoony, but then I loved this orchid. Tone on tone, so pretty. I have the sticker sheet, which have 2 sizes. Now this collection has white core, it has off-white core, it has the whole thing. And then I have both sets. This is going to be like the world's shortest intro for how to kill a kit with style. I have both sets of these alphas, and yeah, that's it. So that's what I'm looking at. I know that I'll get some pretty decent traction with this. Now, I may end up having to go into my stash just to find a background or whatever, because I do intend to use a lot of these papers as cut aparts, and I'm going to keep kind of going with that idea. You know, if I have cut files, if I have whatever, I will bring all that into. I'll grab alphas. The other collection I liked black for it. This one I'm kind of feeling the vibe to do. Oh look, I used this baggie before for an RTS thing. You know, the vibe of bringing in colors with it. I mean, it's just so pretty, and yeah, the collection just does not really have black going on. It has some nice metallic gold, and that's an idea because I do have gold. I don't know. So my idea is I'll bring that in when I need to. I have all kinds of shimmers hanging out on my desk because I was swatching today, so I'll bring shimmers in. I will bring in enamel dots and alphas as I go. Oh yeah, and a cut file here and there. So, and I'll probably bring in cut to you cut files because that would be all kinds of fun now that I'm on that DT. So I'm going to get this up right away so you guys have an idea of my plan. And this is my brand new fancy glass mat, by the way, that Brianna made me get. Okay, so that's it. 2 little kits worth of stuff. I will get creating. I'm excited about it. I got to get just a couple of these handy dandy iris containers to put my goodies in, and I'll start bringing you content. All right, bye friends.